Hello everybody, welcome to the Good Life channel. I'm here once again with another video, with another blockchain gaming video. Of lately, I have been seeing a lot of YouTube influencers talking about this particular game, Castles NFT game. In fact, one YouTube influencer was posted a video saying that this game can produce a passive income of almost $3,000. I do not know how much true it is, but looks like this game has a lot of potential. So why I'm looking into this game is because this game on the NFT blocks has actually come up with a blend option. So if we have a chainsaw, because right now chainsaws are right at the bottom. If you have a chainsaw, you can blend it and receive this particular pack, which includes 4 lands in the Castles NFT game. If you look on the Atomic Hub, these are the packs that the Castles NFT game has made available. This particular pack, which comes in the Super Blend, is not, you can't find that on the Atomic Hub. But you can find all the other packs. The 15 land pack is worth 600 vax. 3 lands pack is worth 69 or 66 vax. But this super blend pack, which they are making available, if we blend or if we burn a chainsaw, we can get this particular pack in the Castles NFT game, which includes 4 lands. So, is there a 4 land pack here on Atomic Hub? There is no 4 land pack. So there is no 4 land pack available. It is 1 land, 3 lands, 5 lands, 7 lands. So there is no 4 land pack available. And even the 3 lands pack, the cheapest is like 66 vax. So the 4 land pack should be around 75 or 80 vax. So let us look at what is the cost of chainsaw right now. If we go on to the Farmers World monitor right now, a chainsaw will cost around 75 wax to craft. So it is a good deal in the at the present market, the way the market is right now, the Farmers World market is right now. This is a good deal. If we have a chainsaw, you just unstake it from the game and just blend it, and keep your options wide open. Keep your eggs in different baskets and see if this game really is going to give a good return, much more better than Farmers World or not. So that's what I'm going to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend a chainsaw or burn a chainsaw and get this particular pack, Castles, the NFT game Peasant to Lord pack, which includes 4 land. The game, sorry, go on to niftyblog.com and search the game. If you come on to niftyblog.com, it will look like this. This is how it will look. So search the collection. It's called Castles NFT Go. So click on that. It will take you to the Castles NFT game page. So up here you can see the blends option. Click on blends, and then you have 2 options, blend and super blend. So right now, this particular blend, under super blend, there are no options available. There are no blends available. But under super blend, you will find the blend available. So click on it, and here it is. You can burn a chainsaw and get this particular pack in return. Blend the chainsaw and get this particular pack in return. It's both the same thing, blend or burn. Essentially you're burning the chainsaw and getting this particular pack in return. So you should have your chainsaw unstaked from the game, and it should be in your NFT collection. So click on it. You're supposed to, so just click on the blend option. Approve it. approve. So blend is successful. After blending, you can see the result in my NFTs or my pack. So let's look at my NFTs. So here is the pack. Right now, let's go on to Atomic Hub and see if I can find it there in my inventories. Yeah, there it is. So I blended a chainsaw, in fact burned the chainsaw, and got the Peasant to the Lord pack of the Castles NFT game. So let's go back here. Where's that? Yeah, let's go back here and let's just list on the market and see how much it will. So it is going to be worth 140 wax. If I sell this particular pack right now, it is going to give me 140 wax, not exactly 140 wax. If I list it for 140 wax, I will be getting 126 wax. How much did it cost me? How much did the chainsaw cost me? So the chainsaw price right now is, if you go on to the Farmers World monitor, the chainsaw cost me, the chainsaw cost is only 78 wax. I burnt a chainsaw worth 78 wax. I got, where is that? Yeah, I got this particular pack which is worth 140 wax, essentially 126 wax. If I list it right now, if I try to sell it right now, I probably will get 126 wax, which is a profit of almost 50, almost 48 wax. Isn't that a good deal? It is. It is. So, my dear friends, if you feel that this is a good opportunity, I go ahead. If you have a couple of chainsaws lying around and you do not know what to do with it, and you don't want to just take it in the game, you, instead of just selling it for 78 wax or 80 wax or 90 wax, why don't you try this blended? And you don't have a lot of time, because let's see how much of these packs are still available. 29. I bought the 30th one, so only 29 of these packs are available. So before it runs out, if you feel that this is going to be beneficial to you, so go ahead and blend your chainsaw and get this particular pack and try out another game. Expand your portfolio, diversify your portfolio. The more diversified you are, the less risk you face. So 29 packs remaining. If you feel this is the way to go ahead and blend it and get another pack of another game. Hey, hello everybody. I was not intending to do this particular video, but I feel led to do it. I feel I have to do this, so I'm recording this video and I'm adding this to the previous video that I recorded regarding burning the chainsaw and getting another pack from the Castle NFT game. So what happened was, I showed you guys that I burned the chainsaw and I got a pack of the NFT Castle NFT game. What I did was, I went ahead and I listed it. I listed it for sale. You can see over here. I listed it for sale and it got sold. It got sold for 135 wax. A chainsaw which was which was worth around 78 wax. I burned that chainsaw, got this particular pack, and I put it up on sale, and I was able to sell it for 135 wax. I netted a profit of 40 wax. I just bought it, and I just recorded the video, and I just left for some work. It was around 3 p.m. my time that I had bought it, and when I came back around 7 p.m., I see that it is already sold. Let's see when it was sold. What time was it sold? Does Nifty Blocks show the time? No, Nifty Blocks does not show the time. Atomic Hub, let's check it out. Atomic Hub sold Oh yes, yes. Atomic Hub does show the time when it was sold. It was sold at 16:19. That is 4:19 p.m. I got this particular pack by burning a chainsaw at around 3 p.m. I put it up on sale and I sold it within an hour, and I netted a profit of around 45 wax. Isn't that awesome, friends? It is awesome. So what I did right now is I went ahead and I burned another chainsaw. Actually, I crafted a chainsaw, and for around 66 wax, 66 plus 14, around 80 wax. Around 80 wax, I crafted a chainsaw, and I went ahead and burnt it and bought this another pack of this Castle NFT game, and I have also put it up on sale. So let's see whether this will also get sold. If this gets sold, I'm netting another 45 wax in profit. So why am I showing you this? Why am I telling you this? So that many of you out there who are still struggling to make your ROI, do whatever possible to get your ROI back. That's what's most important. So time is still there because this particular pack is still available. Earlier, when I did the first part of this video, only 30 packs were available. Right now, I think there are 19 packs. 19. There are only 17 packs available right now. 17 more blends can be done. So don't waste your time. I will try to upload this video as soon as possible and put it out to you guys. If you feel this is the way to go ahead and do it. 17 more packs are available. So hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I will be uploading such videos on blockchain gaming and crypto passive income. So guys, please do subscribe. I've just posted a crypto passive video on AVAX Staker, which is giving a returns of 20% per day. So I would encourage you guys to go ahead and watch that video too. So all the best. Take care. See you soon in the next video.